Today's video is about a new feature that accelerates your annotation process by simplifying the way you provide instructions to your team. Typically, when it comes to guides for annotators, it is a separate task that often requires the use of tools such as Google Docs or other external resources. Once created, specifications then had to be linked in CVAT or sent via email. Annotators had to switch between the specification and CVAT. There were also other obstacles, such as updating document access rights in CVAT, sharing during crowdsourced annotation, and reliance on potentially paid third-party services. But now, we have made it easier for annotators and dataset owners with the Guides feature. The guides are now accessible straight from the CVAT interface. You can easily create and modify these guides using a built-in Markdown editor. The editor immediately renders formatted text. Right on the left side and see the result on the right. See the links in the video description for more information about Markdown. To format text, you can use the top toolbar, or just write in raw Markdown. Let's add some text. As you can see on the right side of the screen is the final result of the formatting. We've added a heading. Now let's add a picture. Pictures can be added from external resources by the URL, or just drag and dropped into the editor field. You can also add a link to the external resources. And even code in case it is needed. Now our instruction is ready. We can click Submit. CVAT saves the guide we've created, so now we can go to the task page. Now let's say you have a task and the guide ready. Who can modify it if needed? In the case of this video, the owner and the person assigned to the resource can make changes. The annotator cannot change the guide. There can be some other cases, for example, when the guide is assigned to the project. For more information, see the documentation. The guide that you've just created is available in one click. The icon is in the top right corner of the screen. And when we click on it, the annotator's guide opens, providing instant access to all the information without having to browse through different tabs or external resources. To wrap it up, let's say that this new feature streamlines the workflow and ensures a smoother annotation process. Thank you for choosing CVAT. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy annotating!